The child tax credit amount for the 2026 tax filing season is $2,200 per qualifying child. If you have little or no federal income tax liability, you may qualify for the additional child tax credit up to $1,700 per qualifying child, depending on your income. You must earn income of at least $2,500 to be eligible for the additional child tax credit. The maximum earned income tax credit amounts for the 2026 tax filing season, those with no qualifying children, the maximum amount is $649. One qualifying child, the maximum credit is $4,328. Two qualifying children, the maximum is $7,152, and three or more qualifying children, the maximum EITC credit is $8,046. Also, to claim the EITC credit, your investment income must not be more than $11,950. Types of earned income to be eligible for the earned income tax credit: wage, salary, or tips where federal income taxes are withheld on the Form W-2, as well as income from a job where your employer didn't withhold taxes, such as gig income, including driving a car for book rides or deliveries, running errands or doing tasks, selling goods online, providing creative or professional services, providing other temporary or on-demand or freelance work. All of these are considered earned income to be eligible for the earned income tax credit. Also considered earned income for the earned income tax credit is money made from self-employment, including own or operate a business or farm, or a minister or member of a religious order, a statutory employee and have income, benefits from a union strike, and certain disability benefits you got before you were the minimum retirement age. Let's go over what is not considered earned income to claim the earned income tax credit. And this includes pay you receive for work when you were an inmate in a penal institution, interest and dividends, pensions or annuities, Social Security, unemployment benefits, alimony, and child support. These are not considered earned income. The standard deduction amount for the 2026 tax filing season, single or married filing separately, the amount is $15,750. Married filing jointly or qualifying survivor spouse, it is $31,500, and for head of household, the amount is $23,625. Topic 551, which is standard deduction. The standard deduction is a specific dollar amount that reduces the amount of income on which you are taxed. Your standard deduction consists of the sum of the basic standard deduction and any additional standard deduction amounts for age or blindness. You are allowed an additional deduction if you are age 65 or older at the end of the tax year, and you're considered to be 65 on the day before your 65th birthday. You're also allowed an additional deduction for blindness if you are blind on the last day of the tax year. For example, a single taxpayer who is age 65 and blind would be entitled to a basic standard deduction and an additional standard deduction equal to the sum of the additional amounts for both age and blindness. Now let's go over the taxpayers who aren't entitled to the standard deduction. Number one, you are a married individual filing as married, filing separately whose spouse itemized deductions, then you're not eligible. Number two, you are an individual who was a non-resident alien or dual status alien during the year. Number 3, you are an individual who files a tax return for a period of less than 12 months due to a change in your annual accounting period. And number 4, you are filing as an estate or trust, common trust fund, or partnership. These particular circumstances deem certain taxpayers not eligible for the standard deduction. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.